To turn on and turn off the television, you have to push TV and then you push the power button. That'll turn off the TV, and vice versa. Push this button, TV, push that button, the power button, and the TV will come on. If you happen to push cable and push that button, the cable box will be turned off and the TV will stay on, which you do not want. So when you come out in the morning, you want the TV on, push the TV, push power button. Then if you want to use the guide, you want to push the cable button and push the guide button. So when you push the cable button and then the guide button, then you get where you can race up and down and see what's on TV. And then when you find the channel that you want, then you push, let's see if this will focus, then you push the middle button there. And there's the channel. That was actually an advertisement. Now, after you push the guide and you didn't change channels, you can always go and then push exit, and that will take you out of the guide button. I think that should be good. Let's turn the TV off. I'm going to push TV, and then I'm going to push the power button. TV goes off.